Hola amigos, welcome back to the Spanish Spot. Today we're going to learn about school supplies, los artículos escolares in Spanish. Let's begin. This is a notebook. In Spanish, we say el cuaderno. You use el cuaderno to take notes in class. This is a pencil. In Spanish, el lápiz. Careful, it has an accent mark, lápiz. When you have more than one, you say los lápices. Now this is a pen. In Spanish, la pluma or el bolígrafo. Both are correct. Some countries prefer pluma, others say bolígrafo. This is a ruler. In Spanish, la regla. You use la regla to measure or draw straight lines. These are scissors. In Spanish, las tijeras. This is a book, el libro. If you love reading, say, me gusta leer libros. I like to read books. These are crayons, los crayones. They help you color and make your projects more fun. These are color pencils, los lápices de colores. Glue is pega or pegamento in Spanish. This is a backpack. In Spanish, la mochila. You carry la mochila every day to school. This is paper, el papel. You write on el papel with un lápiz o una pluma. This is a computer. In Spanish, we say computadora. A laptop is una computadora portátil. And finally, this is a binder, la carpeta. You can organize your papers inside la carpeta. Now you can talk about what you have in your backpack, tu mochila. Nos vemos en el próximo episodio de The Spanish Spot.